I love the idea of the perfect smart home, but figuring out if all your devices work together can still be kind of confusing. Today, I'm teaming up with one of my favorite brands to explore Hubspace in store and see if I can build the ultimate smart home setup. Thankfully, the Home Depot's Hubspace smart home platform can make it easy. Hubspace is the Home Depot's exclusive smart home platform that allows you to control all of your smart home products in one convenient app. With easy setup, you can add one of 200 plus compatible products in under 60 seconds. And it's all available online or in store, if you know where to look. So when you get to the Home Depot, where do you start? What is the ultimate starter smart home device? I'll give you 3, 2, 1. If you said smart lighting, you'd be right. Check out this massive selection of EcoSmart smart bulbs. I love how there's this branding that tells you what products work with Hubspace. There should be something here for you no matter what kind of bulb shape you're looking for, but a great place to start, your A19. You get full color and shades of white, and since it is an LED smart bulb, it should last you years to come. It's incredibly energy efficient for $10. Speaking of which, this bulb, along with all of the other Hubspace products I'm featuring in this video, will be linked down in the description, so make sure you go check those out. Oh wow, I'm obsessed with the look of these Edison bulbs. They're so cool. And I am a sucker for RGB rope lights. For a more permanent solution, I cannot recommend smart switches enough. When you're shopping Hubspace at the Home Depot, you're gonna look out for all of these commercial electric products. There's a huge selection. You get some 2-packs, you get single smart switches. Me, I'm going for the smart dimmer switch. I'm fully aware it can sound intimidating to get into your home's wiring, but a smart switch is easier to install than you might think. I'm no electrician and I can do it, so I believe that you can too. I'm no electrician. But if you have light fixtures that aren't wired to your home, think lamps, that's when you're going to consider a smart plug. Defiant has the best options for your Hubspace smart home. You can either turn one lamp smart or trick out your whole home. But hold up, did you know that smart plugs can turn more than just lamps smart? In fact, they can power a coffee maker or other small items and devices that you have in your home. And if you have a lot of said items and devices, that's when something like the commercial electric smart 6-outlet surge protector is going to be your friend. Lowering energy bills is a common motivator for starting a smart home in the first place, so with these smart outlets, your items and devices won't be leaching power when they're not in use. I honestly might have to pick up a few of these. I feel like everyone in my family is gonna want one. All right, now we're talking. Can we get like that little angelic music going? Oh. I've talked a lot about energy efficiency. Probably the most underrated product that can help you with that is a smart ceiling fan. Hampton Bay has several Hubspace powered options for every budget and aesthetic. This is an instance where doing a one-time upgrade can go a really long way. Oh look, Hampton Bay even has an outdoor covered version, which reminds me, we should talk about some upgrades to the outside of your home. By now, I hope you're catching on that having a smart home should be fun. I mean, just check out these Hampton Bay color-changing string lights. These smart LED bulbs are shatter-resistant and perfectly suited for all the weather outside, and there's even a party mode. There's even a permanent mount solution. Just think about having something like this for the holidays. You can curate it any time of year and your house will basically look like it's right out of Pinterest. But if you're a little bit more low-key, nothing wrong with that. There are plenty of other Hubspace options to elevate your exterior. Again, this is what you're looking for. Anything that has this Hubspace branding, that's how you're gonna guarantee it works with the rest of your Hubspace smart home products. We've got pathway lights, we've got spotlights, we've got deck lights, we've even got well lights, all color changing, or you could play it simple. Either way, your home's going to be extremely well lit. The garden center is my favorite thing about coming to Home Depot, but enough of that, we gotta get back on track. Smart water management is one of the best ways you can upgrade your smart home, not just for your water bill, but for the environment. Here, I'm checking out the Husky Smart 2-port watering timer powered by Hubspace, another Home Depot exclusive, and it even comes with one of those smart plugs I was telling you about earlier. Let's see, we've got 3 great feature callouts right here. Programmable schedules, a rain delay feature, that way you're not using your sprinkler when nature's doing it for you, and an LED low battery indicator, so you never have to worry about whether your 2-port watering timer is ready to go. So managing your water efficiently is a huge win for your home, but what if you could also manage your food and frozen goods properly? I've got a big family, and if you've seen videos on this channel before, you know I'm always hosting everyone with huge meals. I'm shopping in bulk, I'm keeping my ice in bulk. That's where something like the Visani Smart Convertible Chest, Freezer, and Refrigerator could really come in handy. This is actually the first time I've known that you could have a smart freezer chest, and like all the other Hubspace products in this video, you can control this ice chest from an app. For me, the biggest benefit is getting alerts, whether it's online or offline. That way, I don't have to worry about my food potentially going bad because I didn't realize this lost power. I've been there before. I'm guessing a lot of you guys have too. So again, saving money with a smarter home. Side note, who else's feeds are convincing them that they need to get an ice chest for their garage? Just me? Just as important as keeping your food cool is keeping yourself cool and comfortable no matter the time of year in your home. I'm taking a look at the commercial electric Hubspace Smart Thermostat. Just check out that value compared to some of the other options here. With a smart thermostat like this, you can create custom schedules, control the thermostat from anywhere, and even get smart alerts if something's funky with your air system. I'm pretty sure I can hear dads everywhere rejoicing because if I go ahead and change the thermostat, my dad can just go on the app and put it back to where he likes to keep it. Just gonna go ahead and take one of these. Your front door is kind of important. It's literally how you get into and out of your house every day. But imagine if there was a way to see who was at your door at any time without having to peek through all the blind. That's why I had to stop to check out the Feather River Smart Glass Door. I know, a smart front door. Tech is so cool. With just the press of a switch, this frosted glass becomes completely transparent. But if you're not looking to replace your whole front door, I have another great Hubspace smart solution for you. Of course, I'm talking about smart locks. All right, here we go, the Defiant Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. It's battery powered, so it's super easy to install, but the peace of mind you get from a smart lock like this is pretty much invaluable. After checking out these smart lock options at the Home Depot, I realized a full smart home security system might be even better for my setup. I found the Defiant 5-piece alarm kit online at homedepot.com, where they offer free 2-day delivery on over 2 million items, making it super easy to shop from wherever I am. And since the weather is warming up, I also decided to pick up a Visani Smart AC to keep things cool. Before I knew it, all the gear I needed was here and ready to install. We got that AC up and running first, and with tons of flexible settings and a quick setup, I know I'll be staying comfortable no matter how hot or humid it gets.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
But we're not just staying inside. I grabbed those outdoor string lights I saw in store, and just like that, the backyard became the perfect place to hang out.
I can make them all different colors.
Back inside, I've got this lamp that looks great, but when I'm locked in for movie night on the couch, the last thing I want to do is get up just to turn it off. Enter the smart plug I bought at the Home Depot. Setup took literal seconds, no exaggeration. Surprisingly, the smart home security system was also super easy to set up. I want peace of mind at all hours, and with the Hubspace app, I get real-time alerts if those motion sensors get tripped. I love how flexible the setup is. No matter your home's layout, you can make it work for you. And finally, back to where this whole smart home journey sort of started, the smart bulb. Setup was instant, color options are basically endless, and now my reading nook here always has the perfect vibe. From security to mood lighting to cool comfort, I think I nailed the brief of building the ultimate smart home. So after putting everything together, here's what I'll say. Building a smart home doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. Starting small and sticking to one system like Hubspace can make a big difference in how your setup feels and functions. If you're ready to start your own setup, be sure to check out products powered by Hubspace at the Home Depot in stores or online. Just a reminder that everything I've featured here in this video is linked down in the description. And if you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you left a comment, hit like, and subscribe so that you don't miss our next episode of The Haul. I think that does it for me. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.